Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and our channels Tech Improve. So guys, today review Bravia Sony LED. So guys, let's start this video.
How much do you know about Sony's Bravia Google TV? It gives you the entertainment you love with a little help from Google. Want to watch on a bigger screen? Easily cast movies, shows, photos, and more from your phone right to Bravia's big screen. You can also browse 700,000 plus movies and TV episodes, plus live TV from across your streaming services all in one place and organized into topics and genres based on what interests you. Having trouble finding your remotes? Use Bravia's smart remote to easily control your devices. To control your set-top box, soundbar, gaming console, and so many other devices, you only need this one. Isn't it easy? What if you could control your TV without a remote? Use your voice to find movies, stream apps, play music, control the TV, and more. Just say OK Google to get started. OK Google, play some music. OK Google, search for funny shows. OK Google, turn up the volume. Do more on your TV with your voice. OK Google, dim the lights. Give it a try.
Link description in this video. Buy this product.